Now, pay attention to your breath. Slow it down, making it rhythmic and steady. Feel your chest and belly gently expanding with every in-breath, like a balloon, slowly inflating. Imagine your ribs spreading apart as you breathe in, and gently moving back as you breathe out. Take a slow, deep breath in. Pause for a moment, and then breathe out slowly. Let any tension you might be holding melt away as you relax more deeply with each breath. Continue to breathe slowly and gently. Now turn your attention to the top of your head and picture this. Relaxation starting at the top of your scalp, slowly spreading downward. Your ears are now becoming relaxed and feel heavy. And your eyebrows are resting lightly. Your forehead feels relaxed and smooth. Let the relaxation continue. Let your temples relax. Your jaw loosen. Mouth slightly open or lips gently touching. Let your tongue relax. Feel your throat relaxing, your cheeks, nose, and eyes all relaxed. Your eyelids are getting heavy, so heavy and so relaxed. Let yourself soak in the wave of relaxation that you're experiencing. Now, let's move to your neck. Imagine relaxation starting at the top of your neck and flowing downward. Feel your shoulders become relaxed and loose. Allow your shoulders to gently drop, becoming more relaxed and heavy. Heavier and more relaxed, sinking deeper into relaxation. As your shoulders relax and drop slightly, your chest opens up a bit. Picture all the muscles in your shoulders becoming loose and relaxed. Now, turn your attention back to your breathing. Notice how rhythmic and steady it has become. Continue to take slow, smooth, deep breaths. As you breathe in relaxation, and breathe out tension. You find yourself becoming more and more relaxed, sinking deeper into relaxation. Now let's focus on your right arm. Imagine relaxation flowing from your right shoulder, letting your upper arm relax. Your elbow, lower arm, and your wrist all become loose and relaxed. As the muscles in your right arm release their tension, the relaxation spreads to your hand. Picture all the tension draining out from your fingertips. Your thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, all relaxing. Now feel the relaxation flowing down your left arm. Let the muscles of your left upper arm relax. Relax your elbow, lower arm, and wrist. Imagine the tension melting away, flowing out from your fingertips. Let your left hand relax completely. Your thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Both your arms are completely relaxed now, free and loose, totally at ease. Continue to enjoy the feeling of relaxation. Let it flow, spreading down your body. Feel the relaxation continue to your chest and stomach, deepening with every breath. Now focus on your upper back. Picture the relaxation flowing down your spine. All the muscles releasing their hold. Relax your upper back, your middle and lower back. Let your back relax completely. Feeling the relaxation in your whole upper body. With each breath, allow yourself to relax more deeply, feeling more and more relaxed, calm and serene. Let your hip muscles relax. The relaxation spreading all the way down from your hips, down the back of your thighs. Relax the muscles on the front of your thighs, feeling the relaxation in your upper legs, moving down to your knees, your calves, your shins, your ankles, and finally, your feet. Let all the muscles relax and go limp. Imagine any leftover tension flowing out through the soles of your feet. Feel the relaxation flowing through your entire body. From the top of your head down to the soles of your feet. You're becoming more relaxed with each breath. Enjoy this feeling. Now you're as relaxed as you want to be. Experience this deep relaxation. Enjoy this. Let yourself be calm, serene, and at peace. Keep your attention on the relaxation that fills your entire body. Take note of your breathing. Take note of your muscles' relaxed state and your calm thoughts. Remember this feeling so you can bring yourself back into this relaxed state anytime you want to. Savor it. Savor this relaxation for just a few more moments. When you're ready to re-engage with your day, awaken your body slowly. Move your muscles. Gently roll your shoulders forward slowly and then back. Lean your head gently to the left. Come back to the center. And then lean your head gently to the right. Move your fingers and move your toes. Slowly open your eyes. You are alert now. You are calm. And you are full of renewed energy.